one of the participants in the workshop, she couldn't quite get the slipper. It was a little frustrating. So what she did do was she used the materials in a way that was creative for her. So she sketched out a portrait, and then she used some of the scrap fabrics, and she created a lady with a little lace outfit on. So it was really creative and fun to watch her find her way. And she even had a sketchbook that she uses for her inspiration. Just stay creative and give yourself opportunity to learn something new.